In this video, we will understand how a Jio SIM user can access content of Jio set-top box or JioHome gateway via the JioHome app anywhere, anytime. To get started, you need to first establish remote access connection using the JioHome app. After downloading the JioHome app, log into the app and from the home screen, tap on My Media. By default, your phone media content will open. Here, tap on Remote Access. Enable Remote Access by tapping on the toggle bar. Then, Remote Media Server will appear. Enable Remote Media Server too. How to access and play home network content from remote location. Now, to access home network content from remote location, from the home screen, tap on My Media and then on Server icon. Here, you will see all the servers available in the remote network. After selecting Jio Media Server Remote, its content will appear. Now tap on Photos or Videos to view or play any photo or movie or video content on your mobile phone. For example, once the video list appears, you can browse and select any video. Select My Phone. Video starts playing on your mobile phone. You can control playback, volume, etc. How to transfer, upload or download content to home network storages from remote location. When you are on a vacation and wish to transfer all your photos from the mobile to the hard drive connected to your Jio set-top box or JioHome gateway, you can do it remotely by using the JioHome app. To get started, browse and select the content you wish to upload. Long press on the image. Click Upload. Then select Remote Server from the list. After selecting Upload, check Upload progress. Now, you can access these images or documents anytime. You can even download from home network to mobile and access it anywhere by long pressing Remote Server content and clicking on Download icon. How to play on Home STB from remote location. From My Phone Media, select Photos. Here, all players will get listed. Select Remote Player and your content will start playing. Isn't it easy to play content on players present at home from anywhere? In this video, we understood how to access your home network content remotely from anywhere across the world via JioHome app.